Alright, we're back, YouTube. And, let's go just stump the shit out of Johnny.
Hey, you seen Ashley? Johnny's looking for her. Well, you know, as a matter of fact, I just did, just 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I saw her on the end of this penis here.
Johnny ain't gonna be cool if you messing with her again.
Oh, really? Well, you don't think so, huh? Well, why don't we just ask him then, huh? Hey, cowboy, you mind that I fucked your old lady? Sorry. What was that? What? You want no? No? You don't mind? Oh, because you're a dead man? And the only sentient part you left is this little bit of brain and the gristle on the end of my boot? Well, thank you very much, cowboy. Bullshit. Oh, I like it. Denial. That is the first part of the grieving process, brothers. Now let's all hold hands, huh? Well, looks like you got something you want to say, huh? You got something you need to say? This better be bullshit. Oh, where you guys going, huh? Let's go, ladies. All right. We're following the band back to the rest of them. Then the Lost MC are out of this region for good. Did you see the look on their faces? We scared them, didn't we? Yeah, thank fuck they didn't make you for the harmless idiots you are. You need some speed bumps back here, or straps or something. I only keep fingers in the back. I don't mind losing. Oh. Okay. Gotta slow it up, man. That's a short lap.
Oh, Wade. Get your ass in, Wade.
Losing just because of you.